guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is so exciting. Another luxury unboxing. I have been doing quite a few of these on my channel, so I can't stop myself. I have an addiction and I'm not even mad about it. Before we get started, hello, my name is Maria Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing, then please hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Mondays and Thursdays. So without further ado, let's just get right into the unboxing. So this is the box that I came in. I did an online order because collection is limited edition. It is from Gucci and it is the Disney and Gucci limited collection. I got a piece from there and I'm so excited to share with you guys what I got. It is a smaller, they're good. I did want to get like a sweatshirt or shirt from there, but I've never tried on Gucci clothes personally, so I don't know how they would fit me and all. So, and they didn't have, the only thing that they had in boutiques was the canvas part of the collection, but everything else was only online exclusive, so I didn't want to risk it. So I just stuck the thing that I really liked and really caught my eye when I was discovering the collection. So yeah, box it comes with. It's really cool because, let's see if I can open this. That it says Gucci right in the inside of it. That's so cool. And then it comes wrapped very protectively. And OMG guys, I have literally been waiting for this piece. Okay, here's a little story time. So I first saw the collection and I wanted this piece. It comes in this little cute bag. But I first saw this piece and I texted my essay and I said, OMG, I need this piece. Can you please order it for me? Because prior to that, I texted her asking her when the collection was going to come out and she told me. So I texted her when it came out. And I forget what happened on my end. It was my fault. But I waited a day for some reason. I don't know why. I don't remember honestly. So the next day, she texted me back. She said, so you want me to order it, right? And I said, yeah. So she went to go on the website and it was gone. Totally sold out. And I was like, this is what I get. Honestly, I deserve this because I waited a day. I honestly don't know why I waited a day. It's really annoying me now that I can't remember. But anyway, it was sold out. So I was like, if you happen to get any in store or if it comes online, just please let me know. And she took down my credit card number, so as soon as it got back or she got one in the boutique, she was gonna charge me, and I told her that was okay for it. So I want to say about like 4 days after it was completely sold out online, she did tell me that they might restock it because of so many people wanting it. So they ended up restocking the item, and as soon as I saw it online, I literally texted her. It was so early in the morning too. I think it was like 4 a.m. or something like that, and I was like, please, when you go into work tomorrow, like in the morning, please order this for me. I'm not taking any more chances. I want it to be ordered, so please do it for me. And she did. So this item took about like, I got it in the beginning of January and now it's the end of January and I'm getting it, but it is totally fine. I don't mind at all. It is worth the wait and I'm just glad that I got it. So with all that set aside, let's just get right on to this unboxing. Okay, so this is the cute bag that it comes with each piece you buy from this collection, and I'm so happy they made a Disney collection. Oh, just makes me want to go to Disney so bad. I've been wanting to go for I don't know how long, and the last time I went was when I was 7 years old. That's insane, right? OMG, so I need to go. Anyway, yeah, this is the box and it came so beautifully wrapped. So they tied at the top of it. And before we get started with the item, I'm just gonna show you my receipt and everything. It comes in this white envelope receipt like that, and it's so cute because they sent me this little card, but the inside is one of these cards, which I didn't get when I purchased last time, but it's like their Christmas edition card. So on the one side it has like the card that had all over the like the bag, and then it just has this Gucci logo on the back of it, which is really, really cute. So I do appreciate that they put the little effort into it. So I just have my return label, and then they sent me this little like paper to tell you that thank you for shopping with us at Gucci.com. Just like telling you that, and then what else? My receipt. So actually this isn't my receipt. They actually sent my receipt in the mail. This is just like the return paper, like why you don't like the item and all, yada yada yada. Okay, now to the beautiful part. Not only does the bag come in this print, the box does too. How cute is this? Oh, and I forgot to show you the back. It has that little Disney and Gucci thing. So cute. Okay, so this is the box. OMG, can we just take a minute and appreciate this box right here? It is so cute. So cute. It also has the Gucci sticker right here. It is just stunning. They wrapped it so well. Okay, so like I said, it's the smaller the good. Let me see if I can unbox this. Okay. Nope, it's not coming undone. So I'm just gonna slide this off if I can. Uh-oh. Okay, we got it. Taking the ribbon off. The inside is all red, which I love, but guys, the dust bag, I cannot, it's also red on the interior. Look at this dust bag. Look at this, how cute is this? Has the Mickey, Disney, and Gucci. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't. So not only did it come with one dust bag, but it came with a second dust bag, which is really nice. So yeah, can you take any guesses on what I got by looking at this dust bag? If you want, comment down below. But the piece that I ended up getting was, dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, I love it so much. Oh, I can't. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys in detail, and then I'll talk about it and tell you what's in the inside, like all the pockets and stuff. But let's take a minute and appreciate the outside of this wallet. I can't, I don't even have words. This is so cute. It has Mickey and Minnie on the front. Just the detailing of it is so beautiful. Just like, look at this. The back of it, it's so cute. I cannot. It has the, I don't know if you could see it, but it has the two GG logos stitched in the back. Oh, it's just so cute. I cannot even. I love like the white and the gold. It just makes it more pop, like makes it pop more, and just gives it like a cute, pretty look. And also the coloring of like the Disney character just makes this wallet like, puts it together so well. I'm totally obsessed with it. The interior is all white, but on the top it says Gucci, made in Italy, Disney limited edition. If you guys can see that. There we go. So cute. Like I said, all white. So this wallet has 2 card slots right here, and then also another 2 on this side, and then it has a zipper compartment. So you just unzip it, and it is like, it's surprisingly roomy. I thought it was gonna be like hard to get into. Not at all. So in here they just put the, let's see. They put the Gucci responsibility cards. Yeah, Gucci responsibility cards. And then they just have this little thing that keeps it nice, and then, you know, the typical number. I still do not know what this is. And then here's the interior. So cute. You could definitely put like cards in here. I don't know if I would put coins. I don't know about that, but you could definitely put cards, a lot of them. Not only that, but it also has a pocket right behind the zipper. How am I gonna show you guys? Like that. So there's the zipper part, and then it has another pocket right here. So super, super cute. Not only that, but it does have a billing compartment as well. So that is super handy for a compact wallet. They just stuffed it with like the white to keep its shape. It is all black on the interior, which I love, honestly, because, you know, money's dirty. So if it was white, I feel like it would literally show the dirtiness of the money, which, yeah, gross. But yeah, I'm just trying to check what else, if I'm missing any pockets or anything. But yeah, this wallet is so beautiful. You could tell it was made very well. It's just like the craftsmanship of it, just very well thought out. I can't say really much anything about more of this wallet because I haven't used it yet, but I'll definitely do like a review. I'll definitely do a video on what I put in my wallet, you know, all that fun stuff. But yeah, today's video is just the unboxing. This is my new baby to my SLG collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions about it or anything, or video suggestions that you want me to do about the wallet or anything else, then please leave them down in the comments down below. But thank you guys so much for watching and commenting. I got so many comments on my last video, and I'm just super grateful for the feedback and all your questions. I love it. I love helping you guys. I love talking to you guys. It's great. So thank you so much again. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night, wherever you're in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.